Hey, this is Greg from Virtual Startup Academy. Today we're going to talk about eliminating lecture and introducing constructive feedback. So, what do we learn in grad school? We learn how to lecture, we learn how to run the direct instruction model. We might talk about the flipped classroom for like a day or two, but nobody actually figured out how to make that happen, so we go back to direct instruction. Lecture is a big part of education. And there are a lot of topics and curriculum and content areas that you need lecture. But entrepreneurship is not one of them. It's just not. You do not need to lecture students about the material. Okay? What your previous job was, in all likelihood, it was involved with giving a lecture and giving some time to check for understanding and then giving some independent practice and all the other steps of direct instruction that we all know really well. I've honestly forgotten them because I haven't used it in so long. So, what does this train kids to do? It trains them to listen and doodle on their papers and figure out what they need to know in order to answer the questions on the test you're going to give them. Here's the thing. They really don't want to listen. They don't. Even if they're interested in a topic, you've got about 5 to 10 minutes of their honest intrigue. So, what we're going to teach you to do is flip from talking at them to talking with them and providing them constructive feedback. So, everything we do in Virtual Startup Academy in terms of classroom management is about constructive feedback. And what I mean by this is we let kids make their own mistakes. I'm not going to tell them how to solve a problem. I'm not going to tell them how they should research this. I'm not going to dictate any specific terms of how they do anything, really. What we're going to do is give them the chance to come up with their own ideas. We're going to give them a chance to pull together whatever resources they have, put together whatever class materials we're asking for, and then we're going to help them make it better. And this partnership between you and your students is something they are going to get really excited about. Because every student I've talked to who goes through my classes does the same thing. Man, I really hate it in the beginning when you don't tell me how to solve all these problems and, you're not telling me what to do. But a couple weeks in, I realized what you're trying to do, and I'm really grateful, and I respect it. That's what every one of them tells me that. Because they're adults in the future. They're going to have adult problems. They don't need to be lectured to. They don't need any of that. What they need is the freedom to make their own mistakes and you to help them fix what they didn't do perfectly. That's your role. That's the role that the 21st century teacher has. Because our kids today, the whatever generations X or Z or whatever it is, they have a completely different skill set than any of the previous generations we've had. Okay? And we're here to teach them collaboration and trial and error, and our role switches from the almighty, voice in the front of the classroom to the person who's here to help you solve problems. And that dynamic in your classroom is going to change everything you and they think about education. And it's going to change it for the better. Because your students are going to be excited. Your principals are going to be excited. The other teachers are going to be asking you for tips. Because nobody is going to be more excited to come to class than your students. This is a fact that I have learned to live with. And the excitement that you will generate in your classroom is unparalleled. Because nowhere else can a kid be in charge. And the funny part about all of this, about giving them constructive feedback instead of lecturing at them, is they're going to not only respect you for it, but they're going to listen to you much more intently. I remember back in high school, I had a bunch of teachers who told me how the world worked. How did you guys react to that? Did you say, yeah, I believe you, I'll do whatever you say? No, you rebelled against it, and you did your own thing anyways. So in today's classroom, in the Virtual Startup Academy program, kids are in charge. And we're here to help facilitate their learning, not tell them and protect them and, you know, all of those things that we used to do. So it's an exciting process. You guys are going to love it, and your students are going to love it. And we're really excited to bring you in on it.